Now we are going to do 33 question set. This question related to 31 and 32. We create tables in those questions, and let's do these questions. First one is record the relation between user and user type in ER diagram. They said user and user type record in a ER diagram. Yeah, we have to get user type and user. One user can has many types. If when we looking at user type, for one user type can many users, therefore we have many to many relationship, and we change that one and arrange that table. Let's look at this next one. Record the relationship between user and gender table. Let's record that relation. We have gender. We are going to record that one. When we looking at the gender side, one gender can be many users, and one user can only one gender has a one gender, and we have many to one relationship, one to many, and user side is many side, and gender side is one. We change copy. And next one is record the relationship between user and system login. We are going to record that system login. We have the table for one user. For one user has many system login username password, because we have that user type has user table, because user can be customer, employer, therefore that user can has user can have many logins, and system login has one system login has only one user, therefore we have many side in system login and one side and one in user side. When we are looking at the user side, there is a one user can many login system and one login has only one user. Then we are going to do next, record the relationship between user and address. We have to add the address one. Therefore, for one user, can be has one address, and one address can we when we looking at the address side, one address can in one user, and when we looking at the user side, one user can be in one address. Therefore, we have one to many one when we one user can have one address and one address can be many users, as we are going to take as that way. Therefore, the user side can be many because we don't have specify the scenario. We take as that way. Before also we can put that one to many to many relationship, but we keep that as this relation. And let's see next one, record the relationship between address and city. We have to get city one and city and address. When we are looking at the city and address table, one city has many addresses. If and address can be has one city. Therefore, we have many side addresses and one side is city. Then we are going to do next one. Product, record the relationship between product and brand. We have to get product table and brand table. Product table and brand table. Product and brand. One product is belong to one brand, and one brand has many product. Then product product is many and brand is one. Then we going to next record the relationship between user and GRN. Let's look at GRN and user. GRN means good resume node. One good resume nodes belongs to one user. One user has many good resume node. Then good resume node is many side and one side is user. That's how that relationship. And next, record the relationship between GRN and GRN item. GRN and GRN item. We have to get GRN item and GRN and GRN item. One good resume node has many GRN item and one GRN item has one good resume node. Then good resume item is many and GRN is one. Yeah. Looking next one. Note the relationship between GRN item and product. Let's look at that relation. Product and GRN item. One product and when we are looking at one product, it is one product can be one GRN item and now we looking at one GRN item can be one product and when looking at one product it's also when we looking at the product side, we have product and that product is belong to that product. One product belongs to many GRN item can be there. Therefore, we have many GRN can be there many GRN node and we get separate one and with that we have many items with difference date or difference packages. Therefore, one product can be many GRN item and one GRN item can be one product. And GRN item is many side and product is one side. And next one, record the relationship between GRN item and stock. GRN item and stock. We get GRN item and stock. GRN item and stock. If we looking at the stock, one stock can be many GRN item, but one GRN item can be in one stock. Then GRN item many and stock is one. Then record the relationship between user and invoice. Let's look at that relation. Invoice. We arrange that one as this. And one user can have many invoice, and one invoice only belongs to one user. Therefore, student invoice many, user one. And final one, relation, not the relationship between invoice and invoice item. Invoice and invoice item can, one invoice can be many items, and invoice item only belongs to one invoice. Therefore, invoice items many and invoice one. Record next one, the relationship between invoice item and stock. Get when invoice item and stock, one invoice item is belongs to one stock, and one stock has many invoice items. Then invoice item many and stock one. That's how we complete that ER diagram as our question. Then we have to forward engineer this ER diagram. To do this, we are going and we can see that in our AD. I arrange that one in that way and model, and we select that database tab and code engineer and click the next button and next, and forward engineer finish and successful. And we can see that tables in our from our ID. Let's look at this worked, refreshed, and we have that early issue, and all tables are in that database. That's how we done that those question, and thank you.